In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do your makeup in 10 minutes. Keep on. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I am Blia Fex and I make beauty videos. I'd like you to subscribe and join our beauty team. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this look in 10 minutes. Keep on watching. I'll be using this foundation to do my skin. It's Moodyeye foundation and it's in color bronze 607. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. Then I'll use this flat brush to apply. This is a medium coverage foundation, and the idea behind this look I'm creating today is not to have a full face. It's just to have you put together for the day. I'm going to be blending out with this brush. I'm going to further blend out with this beauty sponge. I'll be highlighting with this concealer, putting a little bit below my eyes just to lift my face and give my under eyes a pop. A little bit here on the bridge of my nose, my forehead and my chin. A little bit here because I have hyperpigmentations on these areas, just to cover that up. You want to always make sure that your beauty sponge is damp before using it on your cream product, because beauty sponges tend to absorb cream products. When it's damp, it helps blend the product much more easily, and also it sucks less of the product. If you want a fuller coverage with a concealer, after applying you can leave for a few seconds to dry down. I'll be setting my entire face in place using this Fana Luxury powder. I'm going to be doing my brows with this brown pencil. First, I'm just going to brush out. I love to outline the bottom of my lash, then the top part. And I'll fill in the sparse area between. I'm going to be blending out with the spoolie just to give the brow a more natural look. Highlighting my brows with the same concealer I used to highlight my face. The excess on my lids. I'm going to blend out using my beauty sponge. Going back into the same powder I used in setting my concealer, I'm going to be setting that in place. I'll be using this black pencil to line my eyes. I'll be using this Preface palette from Beauty Glaze. I'm going to blend this color on my entire lids. Going onto my lids with this darker brown, I'm just blending this into my crease in the lower parts of my lids. Like I said earlier, the idea of this look isn't to have a full glam face, it's just to have you put together so that you look more presentable. I'll be using this brush to blend out the harsh edges. I'm going to bronze out my cheeks using this shade from this palette. I'm applying it directly on my cheekbones. My jawline and my chin. Right on top of that, I'm going to be applying my blush. A little bit of highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes just to open up my eyes. I'm going to be applying mascara to my lashes. I'll be lining my lips with this pencil. I'll be applying this tinted gloss to my lips. This is my quick 10 minutes makeup. Like the video, subscribe to me if you haven't, and if you like to see more beauty videos from me, turn on your notification bell.